What is up, Dinesh here, and I have another announcement. I know so many announcements recently. We are launching our own Discord server for the XR community. So if you want to hang out with me or many other awesome creators from the community, so most of the people watching my videos, for example, or the immersive insights we have on our platform, or basically any other awesome industry XR people, then yeah, definitely follow or join, actually not follow, join our Discord server so we can have a conversation together. We can play some games, we can just chat. Basically just a nice big chat room where we can share some nice stories with each other. We can collaborate, like many things. Just one more step to become an awesome and the best XR community. Thanks a lot to my friend Khaled, who helped me set up the Discord channel and also some of the courses that we have on the platform. And yeah, definitely just follow him on Twitch and other social channels he's active on. Yeah, he does a lot of Blender and playing games and coding, all of that stuff. You can ask him questions just like me. He's a pretty good programmer, so take advantage of that, or just say hi, whatever you want to do. And yeah, thanks again. Yeah, just a quick note, if you don't know what Discord is a basically community hub for any kind of topic you want to get into. So I don't know if it's like cooking or playing video games, there's like a Discord channel for every single game. There are even Discord channels for like characters in Smash Bros, where I'm maybe a member of, I don't know. And yeah, and now we have a Discord channel for the XR creators community. The invitation link will be in the description below, so feel free to check it out. And well, I don't know if there's any much more to say on this video. Join us, feel free, and otherwise, yeah, thank you, stay tuned. I have amazing stuff coming up, so definitely like, subscribe, all of that stuff if you want to. If not, then don't do it. I don't care. And yeah, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And thank you as always. I see you in the next one.